I am a total essential oil junkie. I use them everywhere, all the time. Aromatically by smelling them or diffusing them, internally by adding them into my food, a drink, or a gel cap. Well, did you know that there are even more ways to use your essential oils? Like in your cleaning products. For reals, I use them as a more holistic, non-toxic way to clean my house and for my own personal care. For instance, I wash these golden locks with doTERRA's shampoo and conditioner. What you think? I also brush my teeth with doTERRA's On Guard toothpaste, which actually helps boost my immune system. Same with my laundry detergent, my hand wash, and my all-purpose cleaner. My house is getting the scrub down with essential oils that support my system and keep my whole family in action. No wonder you'll never see us down and out. You know, I also wash my face twice a day with doTERRA's Virage anti-aging skincare line. And I even make easy spray bottles of lemon, wild orange, or melaleuca, which is tea tree oil, with water so I can spray down all over my countertops and in my fridge, thereby making my whole house smell unbelievable. Not to mention, as you know, essential oils are safe and completely non-toxic. There are so many powerful uses for them, you can incorporate them all over your home on a daily basis. Do you want to learn more about how to switch your personal care or cleaning products? Come on over to my website, HaleyHobson.com, and feel free to take advantage of all of the nuggets of information I'm providing for you daily on social media. And for even more info, sign up to receive my weekly update so you'll always be in the know of where I am in the world and what I'm treating you to. See you online.